Hello friends. So today we're going to do the hydroglass. We're going to do it on these windows and see how well it does. This is from DIY Detail. It's the C6 ceramics. So we are going to give this a try and see how well it does. We won't get many results today, but we will at least get an idea of how easy it is to apply, which I've already watched the videos. It's pretty easy, but we're gonna do it just to see. So are you ready? Let's do it. Can I have this back? Thank you. So in the box you get your C6 decal, which I'll put that over here on the cabinet. You get an applicator pad, and then we will get the bottle of coating. So let's get started and see how well this does. I can't wait. It's going to be fun. I've been wanting to give this a try, but during the winter I thought, you know what, it's probably not a good idea. So now that it's starting to warm up and we have a beautiful day today, we're going to do it. Okay, so the steps that I'm going to use is I'm going to wash the windows with just some basic rinseless wash. I did the windshield and all 4 side windows. I did not worry about the back one. So after I did the rinseless to clean them, then I came back with some rinseless again and the clay towel, and I started getting all of the gunk off of the windows. It was kind of amazing to me how much gunk was on the windows. It was pretty grabby there for a little bit until I got through it. So anyway, got that taken care of and got it dried off, and then I went and got the polisher ready. I just used a yellow pad, and then I used the Gold Standard by DIY Detail, and that is what Ivan did, so I just tried my best to follow the same process. It was kind of easy to do, although on the passenger side I did have to fight with that antenna a little bit. I think I would also being vertically challenged, you know. So anyway, got that done, got the polish wiped off, and then I used some panel prep and prep that window, all of the windows, so that I could get a good bond with the coating. And then I applied the coating, and you know, then you wait 15 minutes and wipe it off. You can do 2 coats. However, I was not in a position time-wise to do 2 coats, which is fine. I think 1 coat is good enough for me to at least test it and see how well it's going to do. Five minutes left, so we'll see what happens. Got it on these. Good. I got this one. And I got the mirror. And they all look really good. Very slick. As you can see, it's just gliding over it. It's only bunched up because I have it bunched up. That's because I can never hang on to them. Alrighty friends, so there is your C6 Hydro Glass. Very easy to put on. I'm very pleased with it. We will see how it does. I mean, rainy season is almost here, so we'll see how it does. But as far as application is concerned, definitely worth it. I did the same process that Ivan did when he was on the Fab Automotive channel with Brian, I think it's Brian. Anyway, I did everything that Ivan did. I did the rinseless wash on it to clean it, and then we used the clay towel to get it even cleaner, and then we used the polisher with one spray of Gold Standard, just the way Ivan did it. Then we used a little bit of rinseless on the towel to get that polish off of there, and then we used a panel prep, and we put the coating on and let it sit for 15 minutes. It was simple. The beginning process might be a little confusing, but you'll figure it out. Definitely worth it. If you have not tried it, I encourage you to get some get some, and you can give it a try yourself. Thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure do appreciate it. And until the next video, you know how it goes. Peace.